afternoon, everyone. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style. So if you are into that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to this channel and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. So today's video has been long overdue. I finally have all of the stuff that I got back from the tailor, and yes, because y'all have kept asking about that gorgeous blue dress, of course I will be saving that for last, but today's video is just a couple of transformations. The first one is DIY, I did that myself. The other ones have been professionally done. I am of the notion, or I am of the thought, that if you don't like the way something looks, or if you have something in your closet that needs to have small tweaks and you can't do it yourself, those days are behind me, I used to sew in college. If you can't do it yourself, then take it to a tailor. If you don't take anything else from me, any advice, if you don't subscribe, if you click off right after I say this, that's fine, but take this with you. Tailoring. Tailoring your clothes will make them look like they were made specifically for you. So I will go ahead and give you a couple of examples. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, the first one is DIY. So let me go ahead and show you what it was before. So as you can see, it was a maxi skirt. The skirt is now too small, and I have been getting really into head wraps. Whenever I throw one on, I just feel like a queen. I feel so royal. And because I love the print of that skirt so much, I actually took a seam ripper and I just started going to town. So here it is. It's just the skirt taken apart. And here's the print as you saw before. And I just turned it into a piece of fabric and I use it as a head wrap. Now this was actually a little bit more intricate than I thought it was going to be because it had a lining and I had to take it out very delicately because this material is very delicate. And then also it had a waistband. So I actually had to take that out as well. And then I actually had to fold over some, and then so it won't start fraying, I had to take the bottom part and just kind of fold it over and then just kind of stitch it. But it came out really well. Okay, so now let's move on to the misguided romper that was turned into a dress. Okay, so now that I'm thinking about it, I have actually already shown you guys this transformation, so I will be really quick for people who are just tuning in. This, I love it because of the print and because of the sleeves. I got it from Misguided. It was originally a romper, so let me show you. Okay, so y'all know that I do not wear pants. This is a romper. And then I had my tailor turn it into a dress, so let me go ahead and show you. Okay, now what I really appreciate what they did is, you see how short it is right here? Well, in the back, they actually scooped it, so it's not that short. This is definitely a mini dress, but again, if I ever feel like it's not working for me, if I ever feel like it is too short, I would just take it to my tailor, have them chop it off, and make it into a shirt. So let's go ahead and move on to another blue dress before we get to the finale. Okay, so next we have this dress from Style Pantry, black owned. That haul will be coming soon, but let me show you what it looked like first when I first bought it. Okay, so there were a couple of things that I had my tailor do. There are snaps right here, there's a snap right here, and then there's a snap right here. I'm not going to unsnap it because this actually came all the way down here, way too low for my comfort. Okay, and then right here it is gathered, so I did have them take it up a little bit, and then I did have them shorten it. So let me back up so you can see the whole thing. So here it is, and it has pockets. Y'all know I love pockets. So this is an absolute 10, okay? If I had to pick something, or if someone were to ask me, go to your closet and pick out what your style would be, I would reach for this dress. Absolutely love this dress. So like I said, it was shortened, and in the video, I think it came to probably about right here. But yes, absolutely love it. Here's the back, and then you do have a tie, and it is not, it doesn't have the little loops right here that always pop whenever you buy something like that. But I love this. Okay, so now the moment that we have all been waiting for, the moment that I have been waiting for, I got it back from the tailor. My tailor did an amazing job. The fit of this dress to a T, but she also did something very cute and very thoughtful. So one second. She made me a mask, and it's actually adjustable. You can pull it, but isn't that, and she made me a mask for the other one too. Has some extra material. But that was so thoughtful and so cute. But let me stop rambling. Let me back up so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can back up even more. It's gorgeous. I mean, I really have no words. She did an absolutely amazing job. Everything right here, you know, of course I could use a little bit more tatas, but who cares? I love this dress. I wore it over the Labor Day weekend and I got so many compliments. And it's not, it looks heavy, but it's not. It's 100% linen. It's not. It's actually very light. But I got so many compliments, and I didn't wear it with these earrings. I wore it with, of course, a J. Crew pair. But this dress fits, it's like it was made for me. And that's one of my points as to why you should always consider tailoring or consider putting tailoring in your budget when you are shopping. Because just the way that this looks is absolutely gorgeous. And I know y'all had been waiting, so I was like, let me go ahead and make this video. But just how beautifully it fits right here. It cinches in the waist. You know, who doesn't want to be snatched? And then just the volume of this dress. It's absolutely beautiful. I think she did a gorgeous job. Let's put on the mask. Let's put on the right one. So, I mean, it's fabulous. I think it's fabulous. I think it's absolutely fabulous. I found my tailor. This is my tailor for sure. I mean, she did an amazing job. And I say I found my tailor, but I've been going to her since high school. So she did my prom dress, as a matter of fact. But yes, this dress is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm beyond words. It looks beautiful. Fits perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all that I have for you today. Like I said before, I just wanted to show you a couple of transformations just to show you why I love or why I incorporate tailoring into my budget and into my closet all the time. I just want to remind you that I do upload videos here on YouTube every Wednesday and Sunday. And then, of course, you know, I will put my Instagram right here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.